Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Shopify support. So first go to www.shopify.com. Go to your store. And on the top right you can see your name, click on there. Click on Shopify Help Center and go to bottom, and there you can see contact Shopify support. Click on there, log into his account. So I'm just going to do this. So now you have to select a category. And after that you can see and contact Shopify support. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.